Here we are again. These old cars just break. Some of you may remember not too long ago I made a video of a charging system issue that turned out to be a loose fitting voltage regulator on this Porsche. Well, I'm back on the charging system again because the alternator light is not lighting up in the fuel brake gauge when the ignition is turned on. I don't know if I have a charging issue or not, so let's investigate. So I'm going to start it up. Okay, so I've got a voltmeter, aftermarket voltmeter here, get up to 13 volts. So it is charging. I have disconnected the battery and it'll stay running, so it's getting enough of charge to keep the car running. Not sure what's going on, but we'll check it out. I'm charging about 14.1, which is plenty. So something's going on with the light, and I'm not quite sure. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is pull this gauge out. And I'm going to turn on the ignition and try to find hot, just so I know my meter's working. So put it on 12 volts. And we'll turn on the ignition. I know
connected.
My oil light works. Dang, that got me. There we go, 11.12 volts, so that's working. So now I'm going to test my leads to my alternator, which the light is not on, so if I've got nothing coming to the light, then I know I have an issue somewhere in the wiring. Okay, let's see. 11 volts, so there's a good chance my bulb is burned out. Let's pull that out. Okay. All right, so we'll test this. Set this on ohms. Okay, let's make sure that this is working. So, yep. Now we'll test the bulb. Open circuit. So, open circuit. Maybe it's just my bulb. Let's find a replacement. Aha, it's the bulb. A burned out ignition light is a first for me. Mission accomplished. Thanks for watching.